Are you looking for the best planner for productive moms? The ultimate busy mom planner? A planner that not only has a monthly, weekly, but also a daily view? A planner that has everything from bullet journaling to zone cleaning? Yet it's still simple enough that you can actually utilize it? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Plan, Prep, Pray. Hey girlie, my name is Wendy and I am a homeschooling stay-at-home mom of 4 little ones. And on this channel, I talk about all things homeschooling, homemaking, mommy self-care, and kids empowerment. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Stay to the end to find out how you can be entered in the giveaway to receive one of these planners for free. Imagine that there was one place for everything in your brain. A place for everything and everything in its place. It's possible. The problem is that you need to do so many different things because you wear so many different hats. Now for me, between 4 kids, 1 with an autoimmune disease, hospitalizations, doctor's appointments, basketball, and all the things, it's a lot. So I know how you feel. After years of using 3 planners, a homeschooling one, a family one, and a home management binder, as well as a journal and a notebook to balance it all, I created the Peaceful Planner in order to help me manage and not be so overwhelmed. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and give you a sneak peek of this planner that is specially made for you mamas. So this is the Peaceful Planner, and it is a 3-month planner, which is amazing because, to be honest, you really don't need more days. You need a planner that actually works for you, and that's what I love about this planner. The cover is a kind of like a plasticky type paper, and I don't know if you can hear that, but it is wipeable, so you can disinfect it. Little hands can touch it, and you can always wipe it clean. So I love that. That was a must for me, that it had to be able to be wipeable because I will always have little hands around me. This is where you're going to be able to put your name and label it. So you can either put your family name or your name personally. And it says, please remember, this particular planner is the property of, and I love that. And it's just another way that this planner just keeps it fun and light and just allows for a little smile. So this planner is not only very functional, but it is super, super cute and funny throughout. You also see the verse pretty much for the planner, which is Jeremiah 29:11. And then we go on to the family vision or the family mission statement, because when the why is clear, the how is easy. And this is pretty much the purpose. Love that. So it just helps center you. And as a 3-month planner, you get to reevaluate your why every quarter, which is lovely. Then you have your preview page where you can also write important dates, and then priority goals, but on a yearly view. Then you get your first monthly spread. Now this planner is an undated planner, so you have the option of writing the month on the side and labeling it as you wish. I love this about the planner because there are just some months where you heavily plan and some months where you don't, and the ability to customize it and make it your own is just amazing. And so underneath every month view, you will see 3 priority goals, and it allows you to write action steps for each goal. In every page, you'll see like little quotes A goal without a plan is just a wish. Lots of places for you to put it down. I am a brain dumper, so there are lots of places where you will find for you to just be able to write little notes and things like that. Then you go on to your monthly provision sheet. Now, this provision sheet allows for you to meal plan in a month view. I have a video on how exactly to use this sheet, which I'll link up above for you. So one of the other great things is these put it down sheets. Now, these put it down sheets are so nice because they are full 8.5 by 11 sheets, just like you would see in a notebook. And it's one of the most amazing things because I actually utilize the notebook. So these just help for me to still be able to get that notebook feel within the planner. And at the end of each put it down sheet is a special quote just for you to focus on your little ones, which I love. So it says, take time to really connect with your little ones, put down your phone and start a conversation to learn more about them. So every put it down sheet has a cute little quote at the end, which I think is just so cute. Now, after your monthly view, you'll see your first weekly view. You'll have 4 weekly views following every single monthly view. And so on the weekly view, you have the option to prioritize for the week. And so you can list your 3 priorities as well as your for me. So what are you going to do for yourself that week? I love this because as moms, we tend to put ourselves last. And so the planner is a constant reminder, how are you going to prioritize yourself for that week? So I love that. Now, some more put it down lines and an opportunity to plan for the next week. This quote says, learn from past, be in the present, and create the future. Now, it's all undated. So let's say you don't use this week, you can always come back and use it another time. And there are also places for you to write a small to-do list at the end of every day. Following the weekly view is the pedagogy, which is the homeschooling. So happy homeschooling. And so here is where you would either plan ahead for your homeschool week or plan as you go for your homeschool week. So you'll either be doing your reverse planning or you're planning ahead. Next, you'll see your weekly meal planning sheet. And so the weekly meal planning sheet includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner, as well as a shopping list and some notes. Followed by your weekly put it down sheet. And your weekly put it down sheet, this one says, smile at your kids when they walk into the room. Such a simple act lets them know you are happy to see them. So I thought that was super cute. So just a bunch of little quotes for us mamas. Now, on the daily view, you will see breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack, as well as the spot to plan and to check off a to-do list, a spot to pray, a spot to program, which has the set times as well as the half an hour marks. On the daily view, you also have the to prioritize. So for your day, you can have your top 3 priorities and what can you do for me, for yourself for that day. It goes throughout the 7 days. So what I've noticed a lot about daily planners is that they'll have the Saturday and Sunday together. Now for me, as a homeschooling, very busy mama, I need a full Sunday and a full Saturday. So it starts off on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you have full 7 days. Now, my favorite part of the planner is the purge it. So every Saturday night, I sit down and purge it. And this just is a debrief for the week. So I evaluate, how am I feeling? What happened? What did I learn? How does any of this relate to my life? And what if and what next? And so I love this sheet. Sometimes I don't write, sometimes I just color. But it just gives me an opportunity to refocus, reframe, just focus on how am I doing and how I am feeling. And there's also a spot for doodling if you're a doodler. And then we repeat and it goes back to the weekly view again. Now, at the end of this goes on for the 3 months. And then at the end, by the way, every week has a different purge it sheet for you to color. So at the end of the 3 months, you'll see your 2021 preview, as well as important dates and events for you to jot down. And you get your extra pieces for your planner. Now, this is what makes this planner so special. There is just everything in my opinion that I could think of that I'm missing from planners that I need that is in here. So we're talking passwords and contacts and polishing sheet. I have a video as well on how I utilize this sheet, so I'll link that up above. And favorite meals lists and a family inventory. This is gold, ladies. This is gold. And so what it is, you place your family member's name, date of birth, height, favorite color, activities, their sizes for tops, bottoms, shoes, their needs and wants. You can do this for grandma, you can do this for grandpa, you can do this for friends, or if you have a large family, you can have everyone listed just to keep track of everybody. And so when people ask you, what does this person need? What do they want? You have it ready to go right in your planner. This was life-changing for me. Then you have your curriculum list for the homeschooling mamas. How much does it cost? And was it purchased? The reading log. There's a reading log here. I actually utilized one reading log for my books that I want to read and one reading log for the children's books. And we rate them and date when we started reading them and the author. And then the field trips log. And then just places to bullet journal. And that's it, ladies. Peace out. I hope you loved using this as much as I loved making it. Wendy A. And so that is what's inside of here. And then the back says, like peas in a pod, we're in this together. Plan, prep, pray. You will love the peace of mind that comes with this planner. Knowing that everything has a time to get done will allow you to be peacefully present with your family and be able to be within the moment, knowing that everything has its moments to be done. It will allow you to balance all the things that you need to do. It reinforces positive ideas, yet it's still simple enough that you can completely customize it. And it's short enough that you can actually complete a planner. Now, we only have 100 planners available, and I've decided to do a giveaway on Instagram. One of the ways that you can get some extra entries into the giveaway is to comment down below. So, comment down below and let me know what's your biggest home management struggle at the moment. Don't forget to check out my Instagram at Plan Prep Pray to see all the giveaway rules and guidelines. Make sure you sub to see who wins because it could be you. If you'd like to just go ahead and just purchase the planner, it is linked in the description. So go ahead and click on that link and grab yourself a planner while we still have some. I hope these planners help you mamas get the peace of mind that you deserve. Until next time, bye.